The ordinary verb be. Present simple. I am. You, we, they, are. He, she, it, is. Present continuous. I am being. You, we, they are being. He, she, it is being. Past simple. I, he, she, it was. You, we, they were. Past continuous. I, he, she, it was being. You, we, they were being. Present perfect. I, you, we, they have been. She, he, it has been. Past perfect. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had been. Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and to subscribe for daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents. I'm Steve and I will see you with another video tomorrow.